Welcome to Infobook Technologies YouTube channel. This is Rajkumar. Today we are going to see Android SQLiteDatabase. SQLite is an open source database based on SQL language. Android has SQLite database implementation by default. In order to perform SQLite database operations, we have to use database helper class. This class contains methods that do database operation like create, read, update, delete, etc. SQLite database has method to create, delete, execute SQL commands, and perform other common database management tasks. Database helper class can be accessed either from activity or a fragment. These are the functions available in the database helper class: on create, on upgrade, insert, update, delete. By requesting these methods, we can make the data flow between the class file and SQLite database. We'll do a simple example in Android Studio. We are going to save user detail like ID, name, age. I'm going to create a class for user detail activity. Let it be class. Extend app compact activity. On create. Yeah. The same way, I'll create a layout file. Activity user. Let it be linear layout. Let me drag some edit text. Insert. In the user detail activity, set content view dot layout dot user. Now I'm going to create a helper class. We'll pass the context with extension SQLite open helper. It requires the constructor with parameters. So for that, we need to create a object, and in object where the database user dot db database version. Let's pass the database name, and the query factory should be null. Next is database version. Now we are going to override the implement methods on create and on upgrade. Other than on create and on upgrade, there are other methods like on downgrade. So on create is to create the database if there is no database, and the on upgrade method is to upgrade the existing database. On downgrade method is used to on downgrade the older version. Right now we don't need this one, so we have created the database helper class. So I'm going to initialize here. I'm going to use late init where, which is a keyword stands for late initialization to avoid null check. db helper equal to db helper. Yes. I'm going to create a model to hold the data. User model. Now I'm going to create a function for insert insert user. View the insert button. Set the on click. Insert user. Now we are going to create the entries in the database helper class. Var SQL create entries equal to create table space plus the table name plus space open braces. Next is user ID, column user ID plus space. This would be primary key. Text primary key and space comma space plus column username. This will be simple text space text comma, and the last is column age. Simple text with close braces. So here in the on create, we're going to execute create entries. db dot execute SQL create entries. We have successfully created the table. We'll continue in the next video. Thanks for watching.